Hello engineers, in this video lesson you're going to learn how to 3D model exercise 21. This exercise is important because it shows you how to use a symmetrical extrusion and only two extrusions. So I know it looks complicated, but once we do it in practice, it's going to be pretty straightforward and simple, hopefully. So open up Autodesk Inventor, and just a real quick tip about Inventor: once you're in your home view here, you do have the ability to show a list or show a gallery view. Just a quick tip. Go ahead and click on the new file, new part button. And for any of whenever you see, if I show you a screenshot of a part and it's very colorful like this and has large numbers like 150, you're gonna assume that it's in metric. And I'll also tell you that it's in metric. So for exercise 21, let's go to Tools, Document Settings, and make sure our units are set to millimeters. Click on 3D Model. Click on Start a Sketch, and we're going to sketch on the XY plane. For this model, we're going to start off with a circle on the origin, and that circle is going to be 80 millimeters in diameter. So right click, make sure you're on diameter. Type 80. And then on the inside, that is a circle with 50. Moving upwards, repeat that process. 80, 50. Click on your vertical line and make sure that your centers are vertically aligned. Also, your view cube, you should see it should say front. That should be showing just like that. Click on dimension. Click on the out circle and this circle. And the distance between the two should be 173.2. Click your circle tool again, and once again an 80 and 50 circle. Click dimension. Dimension the two large circles. Their heights are 86.6, and this should match. So if I click that, it's going to give me that this little menu here. We're going to accept that. And then the distance between this one and this one should be 150. The next part for exercise 21 are these pink sections here, and we're going to use an offset. We're going to use the offset tool to help make that. So click your line tool, and from each of the center points of the circles, you're going to create that triangle. I should have closed up, so I think I did something wrong. So let me try that again. There we go. Okay, so no extra line should have jetted off of there. Okay, tap escape, click the offset tool right here, and your triangle should highlight just like mine. And we're going to offset in this direction and then in this direction. So first in this direction, we're going to offset by 10. And then again, you're going to repeat that process. Click on that inside triangle and go towards the inside and type 10 and press enter. Now there's a lot of lines here that we don't need. So we're going to click on trim, zoom in to this circle, and we're going to trim those lines that we don't need. But not going to need any of these lines here. And with the trim tool, you'll see I can just draw across by clicking and dragging the mouse, and it will cut those lines or trim them. Okay. We don't need this inside line. Missed one here. But we should double check something. So click dimension, click here and that should say 20, and that's exactly what we want. So just make sure that that is 20. So our drawing now is complete, but what we need to do is finish sketch, and then we're going to use the symmetrical extrusion tool. So click home and just follow along. Don't attempt this just yet. I just want you to follow along and watch. So with the extrusion selected, what I can do is I'm going to click on the rings first, and I'm going to click on this button right here. It says symmetric. Now using the drawing, I can see, let me bring that over here, right here in the section view, that it's 20. So I will type 20, and it will symmetrically extrude in this direction and then the opposite direction by 20. And you'll see that these, where what the pink sections would be, are in the middle. We're not going to click on those. What we're going to do is use this plus command right here, this plus button. So click plus, and then click on these sections. But those are a different extrusion length. Those are, looks right here to be 10. So click on the distance A, type 10, and click OK. Click on your front view. The sketch looks good. The 3D model looks perfect. And that's how you would make exercise 21. That's how you would 3D model it. Now, what you're going to do next is you're going to move on to creating the technical drawing for exercise 21. What I should see on your technical drawing is the isometric view, this view just like this, with all of the same exact dimensions. And then if you have a section view, that would be good to see a section view like this. But if you don't have the section view, it could just be the side view, or the right side view, or a top view, whichever way you orient it. If you want to attempt making this section view for exercise 21, that's fine. I know you know at this point how to make section views, so if you get stuck or need assistance with that, let me know. I don't want to spend the time in this video showing you how to make the technical drawing, because you should know how to do that by now. So if you have any questions, please ask, and good luck making exercise 21.